I've never been in a place like this before. Like, the amount of biodiversity here and the amount of life is unbelievable. When I was a kid, I used to go out and catch tree frogs, but it's nothing compared to this. I think this is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. It's not usually this full of animals. We saw an eel, which I don't think anyone's ever seen before, at least in our group. There's a ton of red-eyed tree frogs we're seeing. It's unbelievable how many animals are here right now.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. My gosh.
Oh, it's coiled up. It's coiled, so you need to stay somewhat back because it will strike.
This place is incredible. There's no place else in the world you're going to come out and see as much as we've seen. Anywhere in the world, you're not going to see this much biodiversity this short a time. One time, one of my many trips here in the last part of this circle, we came upon about a 5-foot Fer-de-lance, and two amateur naturalists from Texas said, "Oh, we're going to catch that." And I was with a class, and I started watching these guys catch it, and I heard them say to each other, "Oh, we're used to this. This is like catching rattlesnake in Texas." And I said to the class, I said, "Hey, it's time to go because one of these guys is going to die. Because catching a Fer-de-lance is not like catching a rattlesnake in Texas, and I don't want to be a part of it." And we left. So.